For the following problem, this is about using the Laplace transform of something without the t and then using that to find the Laplace transform with a t multiplied. And the formula that it's in reference to is the following formula, where the fs is the Laplace transform of ft. That's the convention that people use for Laplace tables and Laplace transforms. And this formula says if you know the Laplace transform of f, then the Laplace transform of f times some t to nth power is the nth derivative of the Laplace transform times some alternating signs. And the proof of this is not that hard. It's just integration by parts done n times. So see if you can actually prove this. Okay, so what is it asking for? Well, to apply this formula, first try to take the Laplace transform without the t multiplied. So you're trying to do this. And the Laplace transform of e to the mt is 1 over s minus m, and sine hat has the Laplace transform a over s squared minus a squared. And that's just standard. You can read off from the table. Now, this means for the above formula, when you just have t to the first power, that means n is 1. So this n is 1, so it's negative 1 to the first power. And because you're differentiating once, this parenthesis means differentiating, okay? So you differentiate only once of this thing, where you're differentiating with respect to s. Okay, so that's what we have to compute. And then to differentiate this, well, first, if you distribute the minus signs, it's just these. And then to differentiate this, you just have to know the formula 1 over x prime is equal to negative 1 over x squared. And then these are both just this formula with some chain rule, right? This one, if you take the s minus m outside and differentiate, you just get 1. So the derivative is simply this. Whereas this one, when you differentiate using this formula and then take the s squared minus, take this denominator outside and differentiate, you get 2s, right? So it's negative of this denominator squared multiplied by 2s, but 2 times 4 is 8, so you're going to get negative 8as over s squared minus a squared squared, okay? And so that's the answer. So what's the answer for the question? First, you're to take the derivative of this function, so that's what goes in here. And then the result is this, so that's the answer.